At Fix from C.R. Smith, we specialize in high-quality window and door repair and modifications, ensuring durability, security, and seamless operation while minimizing disruption to hotel guests and staff. For this project, our team was tasked with modifying 52 patio doors and repairing 94 window handles across multiple guest rooms at a local Edinburgh hotel that is part of a global brand. The goal? To restore full functionality, improve ease of use, and enhance the overall guest experience. Our skilled technicians carefully removed and reinstalled door restrictors, ensuring compliance with safety standards while maintaining a sleek and professional finish. For the window handles, we diagnosed and repaired locking mechanisms, replaced worn components, and tested for smooth operation. With a strong focus on efficiency, we coordinated closely with the maintenance team to schedule work in phases, ensuring minimal disruption to guests and daily operations. The modifications have enhanced security, improved usability, and extended the lifespan of both windows and patio doors, ensuring a comfortable and reliable experience for hotel guests. At Fix from C.R. Smith, we bring expertise and precision to every project, from minor repairs to large-scale modifications. If your hotel requires window and door upgrades with minimal disruption, contact us today.